Yo, 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 what is going on, everybody? It's your boy Turbo back again here, and this video I just want to go over a few things. I know I've been gone for about a week, haven't uploaded anything until now, obviously, uh, but part of that was the issues still persist in this game. I just kind of been getting very annoyed with it playing here on a Series X. Anybody that had a Series S and X had the infinite saving screen, which got pretty annoying quickly. Anytime you try to upgrade a car, paint a car, tune a car, anything that involved that saving screen popping up, there you sat until you closed the game. So it would actually keep your progress, but whatever. We're past that now. I'm sure you guys encountered that, some of you anyway. But I am back because the game seems to be working a little bit better. Convoys are still but everything else seems to be okay. So here we are. Series 2 just dropped today. Probably going to start doing this anytime a series update comes out. I know they kind of touch on it a little bit on their Forza Monthlies and Let's Go streams, but basically, quick rundown. I'm just going to go over the overview. This whole month basically got the Horizon Secret Santa here, and basically you are allowed to actually send gifts to friends. I personally didn't try it yet. Just loaded up the game honestly, so I didn't personally try it yet. But I was reading a little bit about it, and it seems like you can send them up to 5 friends, or something along those lines. I'm just gonna have to mess with it a little bit more later, but obviously gingerbread outfit for 120 points, Aventador SVJ for 200 points. This is actually a community goal here. So once we hit those points or whatever, they're gonna base it off how many cars are gifted, I guess. Everybody will get the mystery car for completing the whole thing, and then for halfway we get the Santa outfit. Just quick thing there. Summer Forza Weekly. It's gonna basically revolve around the 240SX. Just gotta do a few things with that. I'm not gonna sit here and read them all. Obviously, you can access a screen on your game. Same with the dailies. Just kind of, one thing a day, or save them all until the last day and just do them all. Um, Basically, let's see. Forza shop here. Holiday special. So let's see. It's holiday season at the Horizon Festival. You can purchase any car in the shop as a gift for someone once a week. Only once a week? I thought it was at least once a day, but yeah. Sending gifts will contribute to the Horizon Secret Santa event, and everyone will receive the rewards when the community goals are reached. Visit the hashtag Forzathon shop on Christmas and New Year for special deals and more gifting. So, alright. Pretty much own all that already, so irrelevant to me, but there's what you can get. Again, you can access that on your screen. Same with all this, but I just wanted to show this because I might do something. Basically, I will just record myself doing these with no commentary and just kind of have straight to the point videos of each thing. So like Horizon Arcade, I probably won't do. Um, Event Lab, I probably will, but like the trial and stuff, Horizon Arcade self-explanatory, kind of like the Forza stuff. But speed zones, danger signs, stuff like that have to be done with like certain class of cars. Here you can see, I will basically do these events with a car that I made for it on the screen. I'm not going to commentate, nothing. It's just going to be straight to the point. Me doing the races, race 1, 2, 3, or whatever, using said car. And basically, I will have the share code on the screen in the video and also in the description. So you guys could just get a car right away to do it. I'm going to start building some right away. But yeah, treasure hunt, I can most likely do obviously a video for that. Photo challenges I could do. Horizon Open, I'm not going to bother with. Eliminator, not going to bother with. And I mean, monthly rivals, I could, but like, what's the point? Because I'm just going to post a better lap the more I do it anyway. So don't really got to do a video for that. It's mainly going to be for treasure hunt, photo challenge, championships, and PR stunt stuff. So playground games, probably not gonna do too much with. If anything, maybe just show like one game with said car. But playground games aren't really hard. You don't even have to win to get the vehicles or rewards anymore, as far as I'm aware. You just gotta participate. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that's kind of why I haven't been uploading. But this weekend, Friday, if you join the club, let's see here, club screen, being online. So here is the club, Crossfade Motorsports. So basically, if you just search Crossfade Motorsports, there is a space there between the cross and the fade. Basically, I did put a video up for this as well of how you can join quickly. There's links you can click and literally just do it right through your computer. But here's the club. Currently, I have 40 members with 39 followers and 13 here today. But on here, I did say Friday night right here. I posted it a day ago that Friday on the stream. So tomorrow, if you're watching this, there's my name. You can add me on Xbox, follow me on Xbox, join our club, everything great. But if you got some C, B, and A class and S1 class, mainly S1 is what we run. But if you do have some cars in that, we want to do some testing because I do plan to start a weekly race series where we do different cars in different classes every week. Tracks will be, sometimes different. Sometimes we'll use the official Horizon ones. Other times we'll use full custom tracks that are actually tracks, not just shit that people made. But I know it's been a long video. No need for me to keep dragging it on. Join the club if you want. If not, pop in the stream tomorrow. Say what's up. And yeah, I will get to recording some of these other, festival playlist things and put some tunes out for you guys as well. So, yeah, I will catch you in the next video. Peace.